Okay, now we are going to practice drawing a cylinder. So to do that, we are going to start with an oval shape. And I always like to make my ovals like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with two little dots, 1 and 2, and I'm going to connect them. I'm gonna connect them with a curved line. It's gonna look something like this. And keep in mind that we are practicing, we are trying our best, but our objects do not have to look perfect as long as we get the main concept of it. So now I'm gonna enclose, or I'm gonna connect the bottom part of my oval shape, which is still open, right there. Okay, so this is gonna serve as the top part of my cylinder. So now what I want is I'm going to make two parallel lines, one here and one right here. I need to make sure they're both the exact same length. So I'm probably going to do about 3 inches. I'm gonna start where I have my little dot in the beginning. So 1, 2, and 3, right there. Now let's go ahead and copy this line here. So copy and paste. We are starting right where the dot was in the beginning, right here. And I want it to be the exact same length, more or less. Okay, so about right there. So 1, 2, and 3 inches right here. So now what I want to do is I just got to finish the bottom part of my cylinder right here, right? It's missing something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this curved line right here. So copy and paste. Make sure you follow the same curvature of this line. Otherwise, it's gonna look odd and distorted. Okay, again, we are practicing, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but the more you do it, the easier it will be and the better your forms will look. All right, so here is a simple way of making a cylinder.